I tell people all the time in my industry that I will always go to bat for CONNSTEP in any possible way, because I think the value that CONNSTEP brings to all manufacturers, but our industry, is immense. We've been in business since 1948. We're a third-generation family business. We actually have fourth generation working in our business right now, which is almost unheard of these days. We are a metal finishing company. We provide all sorts of platings, coatings, whether it be paints, primers, dry film lubricants, chrome plating, nickel plating, you name it. And we don't manufacture anything. Our role in the aerospace industry, which is the primary industry that we serve, is to make the parts that they send to us. These are machined parts that are components for, typically for us, engines and landing gear, because we're in the Northeast and that's what we specialize in here.
Yeah, absolutely.
But we make the parts last longer. We make them more wear resistant, more corrosion resistant. We just make them better overall with our coatings that we put on them. To me, the biggest impact that CONNSTEP has had on our business is providing us with a tool that we use on a daily basis now. So it started out with a two-company value stream mapping event that we did with a customer of ours that worked out really, really well. And what that improved for us was all the things that matter, right? The cost of doing the job, on-time delivery, 100% quality, and what I consider competitive advantage over other people that do what we do.
Okay.
And the bonus for that, our customer got $2 million worth of new business because of all of those things: on-time delivery, 100% quality, all of the things that our value stream mapping event did for that particular, let's call it a line of parts. As it relates to lean manufacturing, one of the things that we try to do with what we've learned from the lean events that we've done with CONNSTEP is that quality starts before we even get the parts. It starts even before our customer starts to make the parts. If we don't do things the way we learned through the CONNSTEP process and collaborate with our customers early on, prior to the parts ending up on our shop floor. So here's what happens. They don't collaborate with us. They send the parts in to us. We might get a phone call saying they're coming, and that's our notice. Then we have to try to figure out how to run the parts effectively. And most times we do that well, and that's the way most of our customers work. But how it works better is when we have that upfront collaboration and we can talk with the customer. We can pre-design how we're going to run the parts. We can pre-design if there's any tooling that needs to be done. We can pre-design the lot sizes, which adds efficiency, takes waste out of the process. And what it's been able to do in the examples of companies that have bought into and agreed with us to do that, in each and every case, it's created the best quality that you could possibly get compared to anything else that we do. So in one case, we've been doing it for probably 4 or 5 years. We've had 100% quality for that period of time, which is unheard of. Probably the average individual who realizes that their company needs to step up and meet the requirements that the Department of Defense has. It's just overwhelming, and thank God for CONNSTEP, because they've helped us with a couple of gap assessments, working with us directly to go through step by step and look at where our compliance is, both for NIST and then the additional requirements for CMMC. We did our last gap assessment early in the year with CONNSTEP, and we're working directly with folks there to help us with our system security plan. And then beyond that, we need to continue to move toward getting our level 3 CMMC.
Okay.
For a supplier our size, I think that's what is going to be required of us, and
Okay.
we'll rely heavily on CONNSTEP to help us, you know, not only get in compliance, but stay in compliance.
Sure.
I think in some ways, people feel like bringing in an outside consultant might not be the way to go, but the way CONNSTEP goes about handling all of that is extremely professional, and it's been extremely effective.